What are you doing, young lady? I'll peel the potatoes. Come on, really?
You're not.
No, stop it. They're not even mashing because they're not cooked properly.
No,
Young lady, you should know better. Shame on you, Holly.
Holly,
goes in, doesn't care.
do you peel your potatoes when you boil them?
I mean, you're supposed to, but I'm so lazy that I'm like, I don't care.
Bro, like, okay, maybe Gordon Ramsay peels them, but I don't peel them.
Gordon Ramsay does everything good. Have you ever seen his masterclass?
Yeah.
It's insane.
Thank you so much.
It's like, it just makes you, I don't even learn how to cook from doing. I just feel crappy about myself. I'm like, oh yeah, that's great. He's like, takes the thing out of the oven and he like blows on it and turns into a dove. And he's
Dove. I always feel like really proud about a meal. And then when I watch anything Gordon Ramsay, I'm like,
it doesn't matter. I'll just make craft dinner.
Useless.
Fine, you win, Gordon.
Yeah. I'm useless. I definitely would do what Holly just did. So.
Yes.
Today we're making the ultimate
No,
snack.
stop it.
Cheese ramen. Toss in a ramen.
No such thing.
Ramen grilled cheese.
Late night munchies nightmare. Is that a doll in the sink?
Throwing some slices in
Are you kidding? No. What? Oh, stop it. Cheese. Oh my God. Oh,
Okay,
come on.
I agree
Seriously?
with Gordon on this though. What the?
Oh, for frick's sake.
Well, actually,
Not even one side down.
you know,
Bread side down. Donut.
it's not the like
oh no, more
healthiest thing,
plastic
but that's
cheese.
pretty awesome.
Oh my
This is
God.
You don't like it?
Stop
I'm like,
it.
yeah. Oh,
Ramen,
this is great.
cheese on
I'm
toast.
loving
Forget
every
it.
second.
Stop this,
I'd like to
Jay.
ram that somewhere.
Okay.
In the toilet.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
It does belong in the toilet. You cannot tell me.
No way, dude. That's like awesome college food for sure. The only thing, I wouldn't even put it in a grilled cheese. I would just eat it right out of the thing. Throw like bacon bits or something in there.
Bro,
and
that
that's it.
cheese though.
You're eating like a king. Like a king.
I have been I promise you, I've been so poor before, but never would you catch me
Are you
melting that plastic cheese with ramen noodles
It's
in a
not a
grilled
poor
cheese.
man's meal. That's rich. That's rich, baby. I love that.
That belongs in the toilet. I'm with Gordon
I'm
on
gonna
that.
make that when I get home. That's
That's
I'm
what he's
into
cooking
it.
tonight.
I think Gordon's off on that one. You should respect the culinary supremacy.
I'm never letting you cook for me in like ever.
Oh Lord. No. Really? What is that? My fire? No. Stop it, the nose.
Oof.
Oh, Halloween.
You know,
Does not look like him.
No.
No, it doesn't.
My darling, you've got the wrong Scott. That looks like Jerry Butler. Or my granddad. He died 10 years ago.
Honestly, it is like that wasn't easy to do. But if someone made a cake version of me and it looked like that, I would also be pissed off.
That does not look like him.
No, he looks way older than
Like,
the cake.
he does look like what he said, like his grandfather who died.
Yes.
Like, I'm sorry. Like, this does take skill, girl. Like, you've got some skill.
But you're like a few steps before you should put it on.
Like, yeah.
You need like another year of the cake world before you're doing it.
Before you
Yeah.
like put it on TikTok confidently
You
and like
need it-
tag him and be like, yo, Gordon, I made a cake for you.
Exactly. We need it at the point. You need it at the point where people are like, "Is it real or is it cake?" And then like you're cutting into it. Someone's like, "Don't kill Gordon," and then you're like, "It was cake the whole time." And you pull off your face and you're David Blaine. That's what you need.
That's what we need.
Yeah.
She did not hit that.
No, that's the standard.
What's up, guys? I'm one of your hosts, Josh Bedard.
I'm Jay Dorena.
Stick around until the end because we are going to have some pretty hilarious bloopers with this guy.
I'm always good for bloopers.
You are.
Trust
You're
me.
just a natural.
Yes.
But for now, we're going to check out some of Gordon Ramsay's roasts.
I'm making a low-carb sandwich with orange bell
Low-carb
pepper
sandwich?
and cream cheese.
Jay, I did this the other day.
Some
Pepper. No.
spinach,
Cream cheese?
Cream cheese. Just shove it in there.
everything bagel seasoning,
No. Come on.
It's a pepper sandwich. I do this.
No.
and close it up
I mean,
That is not a sandwich.
like that for spice.
No, that is not a low carb sandwich.
that's like
It is.
it
Young
is.
lady, that there is an idiot sandwich.
Haley,
Right there.
Oh, I'm an idiot.
It's. I mean, I'm kind of on board with that.
I-
Cutting out. It's hard cutting out gluten, Gordon. You know how much I want to eat gluten every day? Want to eat it, but I also want to be hot forever.
Yeah.
And I can't have both.
Facts. I want abs, okay?
Yes.
I want to keep my abs. I'm gluten free. I did this and I posted this on my Instagram story the other day.
And if you're doing it, you know what? We're gonna have abs. You gotta eat pepper sandwiches. That's what you gotta do. You gotta give up some things in life.
And it was actually really good.
Yeah,
You should
it is.
try it. It's delicious.
I'm into that. Once again, Gordon, I don't know if you're right on this one.
See?
Appreciate it.
You won't get hot with your ramen grilled cheese.
Yeah, but it's a special Che day.
Okay.
I'm hungover and I'm like, I want to have a nice treat for me.
Fair.
You may have heard of Beef Wellington. This
Love
is the
Beef
cuisine
Wellington.
Is that?
Max, the meat guy.
Okay, this guy looks
Is
like
that a sausage?
Okay, nice.
Oh, that looks good.
Put the work in on those mushrooms.
Whoa, that's a lot of
That's a
fruit.
toks.
And add your thyme. Now we assemble
Time.
Parma ham.
It's time I taught you how to do a proper Wellington by the looks of things.
I don't even know what beef
Max,
Wellington is.
Max, the sausage man. No.
I'm so
no.
pissed at what's happening.
I don't know, but Gordon's not happy.
He's not happy at all. You put, what happened to the original sausage
Is not
and the mushroom?
It's in
That's a
there.
Wellington.
It's in there, like all wrapped together.
Yeah.
That's
That's
a
huge.
sausage roll, you donut. That's it. A posh sausage roll.
That's all right.
This is why we do what we do.
You're not into that?
No.
I thought like, yeah, sausage wrapped in bread. Good. Yeah.
It kind of looks like a pimped out like Polo, the hot dog. What is that?
Yes.
Polo?
Pogo.
Pogo.
God, I love pogos.
Polo. It's been a long time since I've had one.
When
Alright.
I'm really hating myself, I'll like get a whole box of
With some
pogos and then
mustard?
just like smash the whole
That was
box.
my like elementary school like balling on a budget.
Oh yeah.
Like
oh,
at
yeah.
my rich friend's
You just
house.
go and you just like boom, pogos in the microwave or in the oven if you're like real fancy.
Oh, yeah,
if you want to
Chris.
impress people, you got a date coming over, you put the pogos in the oven and she's like, oh my god, are you a chef? Are you a real chef?
Is that what you do?
Do I do
Is that
pogos?
what it works for you?
I mean, I don't know. We'll see. It
I'll let
depends
you know
on how.
after next weekend.
If I really like them, maybe get the pogo. I don't know. I don't know if you'll reach pogo level. Not every girl gets a pogo.
Fair. You might just get the pepper sandwich.
Yes, that's it. Pepper sandwiches. That's the opener.
That's the opener.
Yeah.
When we first start dating.
Gordon.
Oh.
The first thing I did after I met you at 1 in the morning was I
What?
made mac and cheese. I put it in bell peppers, wrapped
No.
in bacon,
Bell
then
peppers.
flour.
Colin,
Right.
you're such a bell end.
I ate both of them. Yeah, I'm fat.
Okay.
I don't
This
know.
actually intrigues me, and I'm not into bacon.
Okay, yeah, I'm not sure. I thought it looked all right. I don't know how I feel about. I don't know if bell pepper and mac and cheese go hand in hand. I don't know how I feel about that.
No, but I feel like with the deep fried in the bacon, it would taste like a really fancy pasta dish.
Maybe.
You know what I'm saying? When it
Yeah.
melts all together and the pepper would be soft. I don't know. I'm trying to make it sound better than I think it is.
I don't know.
I'm
About,
sticking up for Colin.
I just don't know how you eat that. You just bite it, but it's like piping hot. It's gonna scold the inside of your mouth. You're gonna like bite into it. It's like biting into a grenade or something. I don't know if I'm into that one. I don't like things that are difficult to eat.
Yeah, you
There's-
want the easy route.
Yeah, I shouldn't feel stressful eating my food.
Facts. That's
Yeah.
fair.
Yes.
Wash my potatoes,
Yummy.
it up,
What are you
fold
doing?
my limes, cover with cling film.
Oh my
God.
Wrap it for a few hours.
No microwave.
Soy sauce, mango chutney.
Ugh.
Chop it all up
You don't know
On a
how proud
board?
you are.
He mashes it.
So bad.
What is happening?
Why is he mashing it on a bowl? I'm so confused.
Where's the bowl to mix the ingredients and microwave for 12 minutes? You could
no.
boil that in a pot for 6.
Yeah, I know. Anytime you like microwave a dish,
I
I'm
don't
just
trust
like,
it.
no, we're not at Olive Garden, dude. Like, treat yourself better.
That's so gross, man.
Yes.
You don't like Olive Garden?
I mean, I don't consider Olive Garden like fancy, well
Oh, I do.
Like,
That was like a treat for myself.
I think Olive Garden and Applebee's go hand in hand.
Oh man, no way. But that's gross. I hate when people are like, oh, I can just microwave this chicken and cook it. I'm like, are you nuts?
Yeah, no, this is disgusting.
You're asking for food poisoning at
Yeah.
that point. It's disgusting.
All that
Oh
chocolate.
yeah, I'm sold
Anytime.
already.
Stop it. Oh, really? No.
Why doesn't he like this?
No.
This sounds great.
Heart attack sandwich. One bite and you're gone.
I'm into it. I'm so into it.
Pretty bomb. That looked pretty nuts and it's so easy to make. I thought like the chocolate on chocolate and then the ice cream, you cut into it, you fold it. You're not eating that because you're proud of yourself. No.
No, that's like when you're sad.
You do that in the dark.
You've had a
Absolutely.
bad day.
And you're like, I need a whole
You're
ice
alone.
cream sandwich. Yeah, it's alone.
You want to feel bad about yourself and you want to
put
cry
on-
about it.
Put on sweatpants.
Yes.
You listen to some Adele.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh
that's-
yeah.
You're having a flashback right
Yeah,
now.
I am. I'm like, I've had this night.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I've been in that moment before.
Yeah, you're just-
That looked great. A lot of sugar though.
Too much gin or something.
Yeah.
I'm hurting.
Let's go, Grandad.
Bread and butter pudding.
Yes.
Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out.
Let's go, big
he's
boy.
challenging him.
Okay.
I like the
Lots happening
confidence.
here.
Don't forget a spoonful of jam to glaze it, Granddad.
Is that actually his granddad?
Maybe.
I think he's calling out his actual
Dude,
granddad.
his dad, and he's like, dude, he pulls no punches. Family members, he's even like, that and comes in, craps on your food.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what it was because they were so quick with that.
Shirtless chef boy.
God, I don't like this guy already.
Yeah.
Even if what he makes is good. And you can't can't store buy meatballs and be like, I'm a chef.
Literally.
No, this is Olive Garden.
Now 40 grams of butter.
This is the Olive Garden right
40
here.
grams
You're
of
right.
plain flour.
All that flour.
Say flour. Add 2/3 of a cup of vegetable stock.
Ew,
and
is this
2/3
soup?
of a cup of beef
I don't
stock.
know.
Really?
Let's see.
Keep stirring
Is he
that
making
continuously.
Man.
Then you want 2/3 of a cup of extra thick double
Trust me, there's only one Joe Wicks.
3
What is
seasonings.
that?
I don't
What?
know.
2 teaspoons of soy sauce.
not-
No,
one
stop
teaspoon
it.
of
Cook out the
peanut
flour, you
butter,
donut.
Obviously. And stir and simmer.
This
OMG.
is that looks
It
It looks
gross.
lumpy.
Okay, we've got a nice consistency.
Oh, maybe not.
I'm
Stop
gonna
it.
pour that in
What?
with the
So
meatballs.
is that like
Oh
a
my god, there's like wallpaper paste.
cream
Ew.
sauce?
But
Thank
Not-
me later, ladies.
Oh, please.
That's
Trust me,
it?
one naked chef was enough.
What do
You
you
just-
say,
you just-
Gordon?
I'm eating
I-
meatballs in a cream soup.
I
Is that
guess
it?
So, a cream of meatball soup.
That's
like-
disgusting.
No.
Chicken broth and beef, like soup broth, should not turn into that consistency.
Also, I don't think that guy had the body to be a shirtless
I was-
chef guy.
Listen,
Yeah, I was
no
like-
tea, no shade, but like I was thinking like,
I'm like, dude, if you're gonna be shirtless chef, but that's your thing, you gotta be like,
Rick,
you gotta be coming for it. Like, I don't know, get on some roids.
you gotta
or
like
something.
fit the part.
Yeah,
you know?
like, really, you gotta go.
Yeah, you
I
gotta.
need some definition. I need like at least those lines.
I want to feel
inside.
bad about myself. I actually
Yes.
felt pretty good about myself
Yeah, no,
there.
zero traps. This guy had no traps.
We're calling over his body, Gordon's calling over
Yes.
his cooking.
This music's creeping me out.
See, this is no Olive Garden.
No, this guy is
Yo,
What?
so the ground. Why is he slapping?
No.
Is that necessary to
Not
the
in a
process?
bag. Looks like my granddad's colostomy bag. Oh my god.
Am I supposed to be slapping meat and I don't know?
I think you are.
Are we supposed to, is that
Wagyu.
like you're supposed to prepare
Oh,
and
get
give
it.
it like a good?
I think you are.
He was not feeling that at all. Said it looked like poo.
It said it looked like his that.
Colostomy bag.
Yeah.
Do you know what colostomy bag is?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah, I do. That's gross.
If anyone at home doesn't know, it's when you have part of your intestines taken out and they hook up a little bag and you
And
just
they-
basically poo into the bag.
Into the bag.
Out of your stomach.
Yeah.
What happens to your butthole at that point?
It just stays there.
It just, but is it just out of commit? Is it retired?
Yeah, it takes a break.
Your butthole is on a break, and then it's like the new butthole. You have 2 buttholes after that.
Yeah, it just takes a break. I think it chills
Wow.
until
okay.
it's needed again.
Hey guys, so today
Oh,
I'm
I've
going to
seen
show
this
you
one.
how to make British fish and chips. Go to your local watering hole,
Watering hole.
find your fish.
So
Find
like,
your what?
Alright, you want to clean your fish?
Stop it.
Okay,
just
you
having fish,
Oh,
Okay, you want to cut the head off?
What?
just
Pour your flour
the
in.
head off. Yeah. Don't debone it or anything.
I
You
get
want
it.
the bones in.
egg.
Sure.
Add some sugar,
No.
add some salt
I don't
and
think
pepper,
that's supposed to go in there at all.
add some root beer.
Root beer?
Why would
This
you
is
add
how it
sugar
should look.
and root beer?
Your batter should be
Puke, he
thick.
said.
Yeah, diaper fit.
Okay, so you want to
Diaper
coat
thick,
your fish.
yeah.
Oh my god, no flour. Stop
Alright,
it.
so
No.
salt,
That's
pepper, your
disgusting.
plate for
What are you
seasoning.
doing?
Put
cannot
your
be
fish
serious.
over to your plate.
There's nothing British
Stick it
about
in the
that.
microwave.
In the microwave?
Cook
Are
it
you
for
kidding
20
me?
minutes.
What?
20
Feeling good, your
minutes.
chips?
You've lost the plot.
And that is how you
Who's
make British
cooking
fish
in
and
the
chips.
never been to Britain.
microwave? Why would people do that?
Why? Yeah. Why are you casually telling me to put that dead fish you found on the beach in the microwave for 20 minutes?
See, when I watched this video, I didn't know if this was actually her cooking or if she was trying to insult English people, being like, you guys suck at cooking.
I think she's being serious.
Because I'm like, she found the fish in the mud. You just found a dead fish lying around, and she's just like, I'm gonna eat this. Who does that?
yeah, she took like a butter knife to cut off the head. She like that smell in her house. Just imagine that for
It's
a minute.
insanity.
20 minutes.
Insanity. You're microwaving a fish for 20 minutes. I can't even picture what that would do. So people are gonna come into your home and be like, oh my god, it smells like 1,000 tuna cans. I love it.
Like your neighbors would smell that.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
disgusting.
I
That
do.
is sick.
Like, can you burn your house down after? Because it's just lingering in the neighborhood. Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. And now we're gonna get right into the bloopers.
I've been one of your hosts, Joss Bedard.
I've been Shade Arena.
See ya.
Bye. Yo, it's
Come on.
hot in here. I'm
Are
sweating.
you sweating?
I'm
I'm
sweating.
cold.
Are you cold?
I'm actually, I'm like, I have goosebumps. I'm like kind of chilly.
I think I'm on a 2-day hangover.
I was like, are you still hungover, Jay?
Maybe.
I thought you were gonna say how stressful it would be for his wife to cook for him.
No.
Because that would be stressful as No, but seriously, as his wife, like, or friend, how would you ever cook for him?
Who knows?
I wouldn't.
No, I wouldn't. I would just be like, dude, let's just get McDonald's again.
Yeah.
Like, let's just do that.
Yeah. I feel like Eamon's here. Eamon talks about buttholes a lot.
Dude, buttholes are great. Have you ever looked at your own butthole?